Okay. Okay, so this is our
Add the remaining bricks
first
to make the stool stand.
live on YouTube. Right, January. And we are eating wait.
Decided to cut it.
What?
Decided to cut.
Yeah. Oh, J-Boy is watching.
Yeah!
Hi, J-Boy.
Hi, J-Boy.
Oh, hi, Gina.
Hi, Gina.
Auntie Gina.
Auntie Gina.
Okatorere sandwich.
I was donating that for
So
free.
we went to pick up Thionil.
Mom! Mom! Last night I just downloaded these.
And
Oh, yeah?
orange. Good.
Yeah.
Why
Wait a
is
moment.
there
Oh, Nutella.
Wait,
Perfect. Yummy.
I don't know how to use this
Huh,
thing.
the jar's almost empty. I guess it's
so
Sam's jar.
lazy. We got some ketchup. Yeah.
Gotcha.
We got some fries.
What? Even this one is
French
half
fries.
empty? Sam, I'm here, Sam.
Yummy French fries.
Why would you open a new jar
Mm.
if you haven't finished the previous one yet?
Hati-hati, okay? Kapag-kapag
Jar is so
nangyari.
deep that I can't reach it.
Okay.
In my opinion, you're just
Hi.
lazy, Sammy.
Hello, everyone.
How many more unfinished Nutella jars are there in the fridge?
Just these two.
Okay,
Truly, just
let's
these.
take a
Are
bite.
you sure, Sammy?
Not exactly, but that's okay.
It's from Dione.
No way, Sammy. I have a better idea. We'll use the remaining Nutella to cook delicious desserts.
Wow, let's go see what
Hi, Naomi.
Nutella yummy.
Well then, let's get started.
And still, alone I could deal with Nutella quicker.
This is
Hello,
our
guys.
first
Today
time
we're going to make very yummy Nutella desserts.
going live.
We'll begin with a milkshake.
Papa subscribe to India.
Oh, okay.
What's the gonna reach? You thought I cannot reach?
Mm.
You thought my big?
Yeah, I know. I knew it from Lorraine. And I even saw the picture of baby. Mm. She's so chubby.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yes, we are so happy.
Oh yes, we used to.
This one?
Oh yeah, when a baby and then you go to school and you go to the bus.
Yeah, she's so chubby, pretty. Do we call her by her first name or her middle name?
On our channel, write your answer in the comments.
I know.
Subscribe to our channel.
I like French fries.
She's gonna take after her. Because she named after her too.
And that's so funny.
Let's add some pickles. Maratuz. That's a good one.
3 plus 3.
Wait, hold on 1 second. Yeah.
Good morning, class. How are we doing today?
Morning, Miss Natalie. Morning.
Come on, J-Boy. We're gonna talk stories. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Okay. Where were we? We're so happy to finally have another girl. Yeah. Yeah. What are you guys doing? How does it feel to have your own room? Oh, I mean, you've experienced that before, but this is your second time. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, we used to
Yeah.
go to the swimming pool and slide into the other side. The other slide. The colorful slide.
You want?
No?
You want?
No.
No?
I don't like those tomatoes.
J-Boy said hi, January.
Ah.
Say hi, J-Boy.
Hi, J-Boy.
I'm trying to fix this. So, but anyways, J-Boy, thank you for watching our live, our very first live. What are you watching?
Granny Greedy. Granny Greedy.
Okay. Oh. No. This sandwich is the bomb. I wish I had.
I always need homework, but my dad it's bothering me because I always want to keep homework, all the homework. Who is that
Oh.
online?
That's my sister.
Hi, sister.
Hi, Pui Pui.
Hi, Boopy.
Say hi, Auntie. Acá pongo el que. I'm not sure how many people are watching. Oh, I'm new to this live thing. Jeremy only. Yeah. Okay. J Boy, when you come to our house, mm, so January cleaned up our house or in the living room the other day, and I'm gonna show you what she did to your picture. Wait, I'm gonna turn on the light. So she took your picture from one of the off to here. Watch. Wait. There. And I was like, oh my god, January. She knows what to do. Yeah. She was decorating. Yeah, that's what she did the other day. The other day. Remember when I went to your house this morning? When I said I bought donuts from Micronesia Mart? Those were the donuts. My leftovers. I was so hungry when I went to... Whoa! Oh. Let's just put my food on here so you can see my food. Oh no. Let's put it on here. There. Better. Oh no. I love my onions. Crunchy. I know it's going up and down, my viewers. Yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching my live. What is today's date? 10/7? 10/7 is Mamadu's birthday. Yeah. Wait, I gotta fix my hair. I'm thinking of... Oh my goodness. Le basura la llave puchikarika. Llave que es puchika. The 7th, yeah. Era una birthday. October Fisu. Next year we gon' party. Celebrating her birthday. whose birthday's coming up. It's you. It's Jen Jen's and you. And you're gonna be 10. 25th, right? Hmm. What do you want on your birthday? I'm just asking, but you know, your mom over here is very broke, no more money. But who knows, yeah? You'll never know. $2. At least that's something, you know? Where's JS? What is he doing? My birthday is after yours. Oh. I didn't know Nietz was here. Excuse me. When? Well, it's next year, but the month after yours. Hello, Atin Metz. Hello, good. Atin Metz is from Met City. Hello, Atin Met City. Thank you for watching my video. I think I'm funny. In most of all my videos, I'm working, but I tell jokes sometimes or most of the time. But anyways, guys, I got the way a tree. The way where they got it aquatic Chucky style. Duck cook aquatic inside. Okay guys, I'm gonna end my OMG. I was gonna say live, but I was gonna say vlog. I was gonna say I'm gonna end my vlog. Yes. Bye J Boy. We love you guys. Thank you. And keep watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe.
Mom,
say bye to J Boy.
Can you push the water?
Yeah, this is water. Okay, bye guys.
That's the button.
And I don't even know how to end this
That's the
live.
button.
But in a corina que hora. Iti pusi kwa kokaton. Kai pausura si provira even. We don't think we know.
We lost or win?
What do you mean? Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. Sorry guys, I'm trying to end this live, but I don't know how. Oh, I think I might just... Oh, wait. How do I end this live? Please help me. I know. I'm trying to figure it out. Maybe I should just click here. Or... Wait. Oh, January, I told J-Boy on how you took his picture frame and you put it on the other table. Yeah, and he said that was nice.
Oh yeah, it was a big, and then it was big one, and then it was like, antsy.
What?
Antsy.
Nancy?
Auntie.
Oh, you're not his auntie. Bye, J-Boy. We're gonna... I don't know how to end this, but bye. Take care, J-Boy.